there, guys. A couple days ago I went to the dollar store just to pick up a couple things like we normally do for our household. In one of the aisles I came across this magic little thing. It is Rapid Brownie Baker. It is supposed to help you make brownies in the microwave without the oven in 4 minutes. If you're as crazy as I am about chocolates and sweets, you know how hard it was to pass on. I definitely had to pick it up and bring it home with me. I am very curious if it's going to be working or not. I want to take you along with me and we'll see if it's working or not. As you see, I also picked up fudge brownie for the test. This brownie baker comes with a little measuring tool that is actually really handy. It tells you exactly where to put the brownies, exactly how much oil and water you need. Instructions on the box tell you to keep mixing, even though it will look very dry. As you can tell probably by now, it looks exactly like the brownie we always put in our oven. Now we're going to put it in the microwave for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Then we will see how it turned out. As we are getting closer to the big reveal, I wanted to hop on here real quick and ask you guys, do you like sweets? Do you like brownies? Did you ever thought that there is a tool that you can make your favorite brownies in the microwave? Please leave your answers in the comments below. I definitely will read them all. Before I tried the brownie, I wanted to make sure that it was all the way done. As you see, I guess it is. I can't believe it worked! First, it saved me the time, because it took only 3.5 minutes instead of 30 minutes in the oven. Second, it did not heat up my whole house with the oven, which is a big plus, especially when it's summer. Third, it worked! I mean, the brownie was perfectly fine, exactly the same way like I would have them in the oven. Was it worth it? Definitely. A whole $1 at the Dollar Tree. Guys, go get yourself one. You won't regret it. If you can't find it at the Dollar Tree, I'll have it linked down below for you. Guys, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!